Very good morning, class. Welcome back in your English literature class. So we were on unit 8, okay, and the name of the chapter is Going Round the Earth in a Day, okay. Yesterday you heard about the story about the Virbal's court and what happened in it, and today we will complete the exercises. So let's begin. Why was Akbar, this is a multiple choice questions, why was Akbar called his people's emperor? Option B, his people loved and trusted him. Why did the people learn a lot when they came to Akbar's court? Akbar solved their problems. What important fact did the famous astrologer tell the people in the court? He told them that the earth is round. Next, why did the astrologer say it would take 100 years to go round the earth following a straight path? Because C number, a person would have to cross oceans, climb mountains and go through forest. Fifth, why was Akbar not worried? Because his intelligent minister would tell him how long such a trip would take. C. Question number 6, why did Birbal say it would take 1 day to go round the earth? Because he said it would be possible to do the trip in a day if a person travel at the speed of the sun. B number. So let's come next exercise, spelling and vocabulary. Read aloud these words beginning with TR and 5 more such words. Those words who start with the TR, so we have to make a new words more. Here are 5 words has given to you and 4 we have to make it. So let's begin. Travel, treat, trip, troop, truck. Now next one, trump, trailer, trust, trend. Okay, these were started with the TR. Next one, find words in the story that are the antonyms opposite. Please, antonym is opposite of the words given below. Foolish, ये आपके book से ही है. These antonyms you are finding from your books, from this chapter. Foolish, wise. Empty, full. Unable, able. Easy, difficult. Noisy, quiet. Crooked, straight. Same, different. Unintelligent, intelligent. Short, long. Possible, impossible. Next one, learning grammar. Okay, so you already learned about these in your grammar book. So what is adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverb of place? Before starting this, I just want to explain you a little about this. Adverb of manner, जिस manner में हम काम करते हैं वो manner कहलाता है, ठीक है. Loudly, softly, fastly, harshly. So these all are called manner. अच्छा, place, जिस जगह पे हम काम करते हैं मतलब where. Manner, how you are doing these works, तो कैसे कर रहे हो, how. Place, where, okay, कि कैसे ये कहाँ कर रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे वेयर आता है. टाइम, व्हेन, ओके, मतलब कब करना है, ठीक है. तो वी हैव टू राइट, ओके, वी हैव टू लर्न इट. सो लिसन मी केयरफुली. द फर्स्ट वन, एडवर्ब टेल अस हाउ, व्हेन और वेयर actions take place. Adverb of manner tell us about the way in which action take place. They answer the question, तो they answer the question how, कैसे. He shouted loudly, he smiled happily. आप जो डार्क में देख रहे हो ना highlighted, Rita danced beautifully. तो किस तरह से ने किया, how they have done, loudly, happily and beautifully. So they all are manner. Adverb of time tell us when action take place, कि action कब हुआ. I'll meet you tomorrow. Ravi is coming today. We saw him, her yesterday. Okay, so the all are time. Adverb of time. Adverb of place क्या होता है, tell us where action take place, कहाँ हुआ. The boys play football there. Please come here. Let's go outside. So these all are places. Now come to the next one, exercise. Underline the adverb in these sentence. Make am for adverbs of manner, T for adverbs of time and P for adverb of place. चलिए हमको एडवर्ब पे क्या करना है, अंडरलाइन भी करना है आपको. द चिल्ड्रन आर इनसाइड, तो इसमें एडवर्ब, व्हाट इज द एडवर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस, इनसाइड. सो इनसाइड इज़ नॉट अ टाइम, इनसाइड इज़ नॉट अ manner, inside is a place, अंदर. Bina got up early. ठीक है, early is a time, सुबह. Manu ran as fast as he could. Fast is a manner. The sun shone brightly. Brightly is a manner. ठीक है. They are playing quietly. Manner. He sat down. Down. Place. The parrot squawked noisily. Manner. There were ants everywhere. Place. Okay. Write this. Now next one. Read aloud these beginning with the. Sorry. This you have done. We can use the time phrases to tell us when action take place. Fill in the blanks with these time words and phrases. आपको जो आंसर्स हैं आपके इन बॉक्स में गिवन हैं एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन आफ्टर सीइंग अस आफ्टर रीडिंग अ सेंटेंस. ओके, आई विल बी मीटिंग यू इन द आफ्टरनून. विल गो टू रीमा's हाउस इन द इवनिंग. द रोस्टर क्रोज अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. will be late if you do not hurry up. Next one. This year we are in class 4. Next year we'll be in class 5. I'll go to bed at 9 every night. I get up at 6:30 every morning. Next, we can use place phrases to say where things take place. Okay, जैसे रानी वो सिटिंग इन द गार्डन. प्लेस मतलब जगह क्यों बता रहे हैं, ठीक है, इन द गार्डन. वेयर वॉज रानी सिटिंग इन द गार्डन. ओके, तो जहाँ पे प्लेस आता है. लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स एंड राइट दीज. आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. वेयर इज़ द कुतुब मीनार? द कुतुब मीनार इज़ इन Delhi. Where is the picture? The picture is on the wall. Do underline. Where is Raman sitting? Raman is sitting on the bench. Where is cow's nest? Crow's nest. The crow's nest is on the tree. Where is the label? The label is in front of box. Where are the flowers? Flowers are in the vase. Where is the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal is in Agra. So do underline also in it. Okay, so please complete this work and make sure that your book work is completed or not, because we have completed full syllabus of term 1 today. So keep revising and keep learning.